Dear students, we all are blessed with a wonderful gift of God, that is, our lovely parents. They take good care of us, fulfill all our needs, give us good education, and above all, they play an important role in building our character. Time to time, they give us good advices. Today, we are going to study a poem, Mother to Son, which is written by Langston Hughes. He was an American novelist, playwright, and short story writer. Hughes also wrote columns for newspapers. In this poem, he puts himself in the place of a mother, speaking her son with words of encouragement. Before starting the poem, let us see some of the difficult words in the poem. A climbing, ain't, has not, crystal, a high quality, clear, colorless glass, honey. In this poem, it is a term of endearment, dear, sweetie, or darling. Ice, it is a non-standard way of saying I have. Kinder, kind of, landings, the flat area without steps where a stairway takes a turn. Sit down, stop or rest. Splinters, sharp, slender pieces of wood broken off from the main body. Tags, short nails with a flat head. In this poem, the mother advises her son that he will face many hardships in life and yet he must overcome them and keep going. The mother compares the journey through life to ascending a staircase. Let us start the poem. Well, son, I'll tell you, life for me ain't been no crystal stair. It's had tags in it, and splinters, and boards torn up, and places with no carpet on the floor, bare. In these lines, she says that for her, life has not been a staircase made of crystal. It means life is not very smooth and easy for her. Rather, it has been quite rough, difficult, with protruding nails and pieces of wood jutting out, boards torn up, and places where the carpet was missing. Further, she says, but all the time I's been a climbing on and reaching landings and turning corners and sometimes going in the dark where there ain't been no light. She says that though her life is full of difficulties, she kept climbing through landings, corners, and darkness of the life. She did not give up in any way. So, boy, don't you turn back. Don't you sit down on the steps, 'cause you finds it's kinda hard. Don't you fall now, for I's still going, honey. I's still climbing, and life for me ain't been no crystal stair. She says to her son that she has faced many difficulties in the life and she continued to walk. The same way she asked the boy to walk in her footsteps and keep moving forward without turning back or giving up because he finds the journey difficult. She wants him to take inspiration from the fact that she is still going steady despite life's hardships and difficulties. This is the wonderful advice of a mother to her son to keep on moving forward. Though there are many obstacles and difficulties in the life, but still the boy should keep on moving forward to achieve the success in the life. Thank you.